How to log in into your blockchain wallet account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your blockchain wallet account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step you will need to take is open up your blockchain wallet. You can get the app if you don't have it from your App Store or Play Store. After you're here, if you don't have an account, you also have an account to create one. So after you've created an account, you can head over I already have an account and then log in. So right here, you will simply need to enter your email address and then tap on login. After you do that, you will simply need to type in your your password. But before that, your device will get verified. So you will get an email. Make sure that you head over to the email, and on your email, you will need to verify your you need to verify your device. Just give it permission and just verify your request. It will take you to a website and you will need to verify your request. So after that, you will head over to this password section and then type in your password. After you type in your password, simply tap on continue and then you'll get logged in. Now you will need to create a PIN. Create an easy PIN that you can remember. And after you create your PIN, you are now logged in into your account. And it's basically that simple.